Is it just me, or is it almost impossible to start the day without at least one sip of coffee? What's up, you guys? My name is Mike, and today we're going to learn about how to purchase your very first home. Something that they actually don't teach in high school. Now, this is actually going to be a very simple video. There's a lot of details that go into purchasing a house. But today it's just going to be a quick step-by-step process, and yeah, if you buy my program, it's only $500 a month. I'm just kidding. This video is going to be completely free. I guess the only thing I ask in return is if you click that like button, it kind of tells YouTube that my videos are somewhat useful. So yeah, I'd greatly appreciate that. Alright guys, step number one, find yourself a real estate agent. Find somebody who you could trust, or somebody who has some experience, or maybe somebody who's really tall and has long hair by the name of Mike. But anyways, if you don't have one, I'll definitely be sure to send one your way. Now, what a real estate agent does is he negotiates on your behalf to get you the best deal possible. He also does all the research, schedules all the appointments and all the showings, also resolve any questions that are bothering you about purchasing a home. Now, the coolest part about having a buyer's agent is it's completely free. The one who ends up paying for their services is the seller of the house. Alright, now that you have your real estate agent, next thing you want to do is contact your lender. Lenders could be banks, mortgage companies, credit unions, and what they're going to do is ask about your employment, your income, your assets. That way you get your pre-approval letter and you can start searching for your first home. By the way, the cool thing about being a first-time home buyer, it's only a 3.5% down payment. Now, if you don't have a lender in mind, talk to your real estate agent. He's usually working with somebody. Or just ask me and I'll definitely send you the best lender. Alright, you find your dream house, you write the offer gets accepted. Next thing you want to do is hire an inspector. The inspector is going to check the interior and the exterior of the home you want to purchase. After the inspection, you're going to receive a full report of the house, and only then you can start negotiating of any repairs you want done to the home. After the negotiations are complete, it's time for the appraisal of the home. The lender cannot give you the money until the property is verified that it's actually worth what it's being sold for. Finally, the title company is going to do the research to make sure that the title doesn't have any issues and it could be legally transferred into your name. They are going to maintain your escrow monies per contract, and they're going to coordinate the closing by giving you the title and handing the cash over to the seller. And that's basically it. Now you have an idea of how the process works, who's involved. Of course, there's a lot of little details that go into it, a lot of deadlines, a lot of paperwork. And again, that's why you hire a real estate professional to make sure that everything goes smoothly and you get that dream house that you've always wanted. Thanks again, guys, for watching my video. I hope it kind of helped you and answered some questions you might have had. And yeah, I'm going to go finish my coffee. See ya.